get your hair. You won't be able to do this. It is. Maxie's going, what's going on? Yeah, I don't want you to go out, Maxie. It's too cold. Oh, I am hilarity. You're making me cough. Nah, yay, John. I know.